Hi there, it's Rob at Fast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Lexus RX 350, which is an ultra premium package. Very low mileage on the vehicle. It's only 44,000 kilometers and we're selling it for $34,388, including safety, no extra fees. It has a touch less or whatever keyless entry. You can lock it and unlock it without keys. It's a navy blue, beautiful blue color on a beige interior. As you see, it's a very clean interior as well. Of course, has a sunroof, has a heated and cooling seats. I'm gonna start it up as well. Yeah, that's the mileage in kilometers. All the options. It has a folding mirrors too. Memory seats, all the power options, and GPS with the rear camera. There we go. These are the heated and cooling seats. There's the menu. There with the satellite radio, of course, has a Bluetooth as well. The climate control, wooden steering wheel, which is just a nice touch. Again, no smoke, it's non-smoker's vehicle. It smells clean. It's been detailed and the oil change been done as well. The tires, they have about 95%. That's right on. It's all season Kumos. Very nice tires. Power lift gate. If you press the button and hold it, it will open the power gate. And close back. So the vehicle is available. If you have any questions regarding it, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.